Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss array comment. So basically there are three types of array is available in AutoCAD, and they are rectangular array, path array and polar array. So let's start with the rectangular array. Let's make some geometry first. Say we want to copy this circle in a number of rows and also in a number of columns. Then we have to choose rectangular array. To choose array command, go to modify toolbar and here choose array, or press AR and then press enter. Now you have to select the object you want to copy. Select object, press enter. To choose rectangular array, press R and then press enter. Now our array is created. If you want to edit the array, say you want to change the number of columns, number of rows, spacing between the objects. So say you want to change the number of columns, then choose column. To choose column, press COL, then press enter. Say you want 5 number of columns, press 5, then press enter. Now only number is not sufficient to specify the array. You have to specify the distance between the number of columns. So say the distance between them is 4 unit. Press enter. Now it is fully defined. Say you want to change rows, press R to choose row. To edit row and then press enter. As previous, say 4 number of rows, press 4, then press enter. Here you also have to define the distance between the rows. Say the distance is 3, press 3 and then press enter. Now see one thing. Select any one of them. Here you can find a tab is available in which you can see the type of array, the columns, distance between the columns, row, number of rows, distance between rows, and here also one option available which is levels. Here you can find properties, and here is option, and here you can find some option like edit source, replace item and reset array. Say if you want to replace the item, draw a object over here. Yeah, now let's edit the array. Choose replace item, select this one, press enter, and now choose the base point of the replacement item. Now select an item in the array to replace. Say this one. Yeah, press enter. Thus you can replace any single object in the array. Otherwise, what is levels? Choose levels. Here choose 3 number of levels and distance between them is also 3. Now press enter. Let's see. Here you can find there is 3 layers available. So that's all about rectangular array. Say you want to make copy of this circle on this big circle, then you have to choose polar array, press AR, then press enter. Now select this object, press enter again. Now choose polar array. To choose polar array, press PO and then press enter. Now we have to specify the center point of the array. Say this one is the center point. Now you can see the array is created. If you want to fill a certain angle, then you have to choose fill angle. Otherwise, if you want to choose number of items, then choose items. Just select any one of them. Here you can see a ribbon is available. You can edit the polar array here. Here you can choose the items, choose the number of rows, choose the levels. You can edit the source. You can replace one item. You can reset the array. And in properties, you can change the base point. You can rotate the items. You can change the direction. Let's talk about the items. Say you want 10 number of items and a angular displacement between them, say 6. Here you can see, here you can choose the total fill angle. It will evenly manage the gap between them. So say you want to fill 120 degree, press 120, and here you can see this angle is 120 degree. If you want to change the number of rows, go to rows and here change it, say 3 number of rows, press 3. Here you can see it's looking nice. Thus you can change the levels. You saw in the rectangular array what happens if you change the levels. So as per your need. So that's all about polar array. Now let's talk about path array. First choose array command, press enter. Now you have to select the object. Say we want to copy this circle, select this circle, press enter. To choose path array, type PA and then press enter. Now you have to select the path on which you want copy of this object, then select the cart path. Here you can see the array is created. Here is also one option available, you can see right here, which is associative. Always keep it on, otherwise every single object gets separated from each other. Let's see what is that. Press AS and then press enter. If you choose no, you can see right here everyone gets separated. So if you want to make changes, then always keep associative on. Make sure that associative is on. So to edit the array, select any one of them and here you can change the distance between the items, the number of rows, number of levels. Here you can edit the source, replace the item. So let's change the numbers. Here you can see we can't change the number here. It's only asking for the spacing between two objects. So let's just go to properties and here click on measure and click on divide. Now you can see the item, you can change the item. Say you want 10 number of items, press 10. The distance between them is automatically adjusted. Say you want 3 number of rows, then change number of rows here. Here you can see. And that's all from my side. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for another updates, and thank you.